very proud to introduce you some American friends who've been following us for a long time. Christy and John Carlisle, they've been knowing us from the time of pandemic, and finally they are in Sicily. They are touring with us.
They are enjoying a private tour of Sicily.
And I forgot to mention their travel companions. Katie, how are you? Julie.
We are enjoying a wonderful dinner.
This is our welcome dinner.
Welcome dinner.
John, what about the wine?
It's fantastic.
Christy.
I cannot wait. I can't wait to eat it all.
Look at this. And now we are ready to start. So we can toast again or together.
Once again.